Yo, Yashnik here. What's up, everyone? This is my first unboxing video. Anyway, some of you all know me. Kind of known in the crypto world a little bit. I'm by no means a YouTuber. I got too many friends that already are, so they can deal with that stuff. But I felt that I needed to do an unboxing video because, thanks to Blocks Media and Chirp, I received something special. It's called the Blackbird. So, let's do this. Again, not a YouTuber, so it's very raw. Excuse me. Let's get to it. Obviously, I already cut up the, tape stuff. And here you go. You got some paperwork stuff. Thank you. Good stuff. That right there. And get to that. And here it is. So, this is a Blackbird. Ta-da! 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 I went through all the installation and really good installation instructions, by the way, which the links will be below. As well, shout out to Blocks Media for helping me get me one of these guys, and Chirp, of course. So, let's get to it. This is the system itself. It's LoRaWAN, and it's cellular, also Wi-Fi. So, if you guys know what helium is, this is way better, in my opinion. And we'll see. Just so you know, it's still in testnet. I believe they're going to mainnet in Q3, from whatever. I will post the Discord channel, their website, the instructions, all the info you need to know how to get one of these up and running in the video description. So this is the actual, I don't even know what you call them, hotspot or access point, a mixture of both, whatever. So anyway, let's get to it. In the box, we have a couple of antennas. Hello. Let's open this one up. This would be the LoRaWAN antenna. Got to be very careful because you need to put them in the correct order. There you have it. You'll see it's in North America. It is 902-930 megahertz, 5 dBi. Let's put that aside for a moment. And then this one, we've got the, a little hard to open. Oh my God. Wow. It's tough. It's tough. It's a really tough life here. Bear with me. Got it. Oh, I got it. All right. Get this guy. Really, really good packaging, guys. I have to say, congrats on that for sure. Now this guy is a 24 megahertz antenna. Wow, the camera's not doing very well. Is it? There it is. So it's very important before you power this up that, because I read through the instructions. By the way, Chirp did a great job with the instructions, but very important, as you can see here, 24 megahertz and LoRa 1. You got to make sure you match them up, because it could be bad, right? Yeah. So this one goes here, and then the other, of course, goes in yellow. Simple as that. I know this is an unboxing instructional video as well, because I did my homework. Now, in the box, they even have an IoT device to hook up right away. And by the way, you need to connect this to the Chirp, or to the Blackbird, I'm sorry, to be able to register it. There's a verification process. Again, go through the instructions. You have to connect this to be verified. It's the only way to get verified, along with a whole bunch of other instructions that you need to do. We'll talk about that a little bit. But this is cool. It's a thermostat. Does temp and HR monitoring. Very cool. I know a very good place to put this. It also, well, of course, you get all the brackets, stuff you need, in this little box here. And then in this little box, you get the mounting bracket. Get the mounting brackets and stuff, put it all together, depending on your needs and how you're going to install it. There's so many ways you can do this, but this bracket helps you do it whichever way you want. It's crazy. And of course there's all bolts and nuts and stuff like that you need right here. It's all here, it's all good. And you get electrical tape. Electrical tape. So if you go through the instructions, you'll see that when you put your Ethernet cable here, which is PoE, they suggest that you wrap it up in some electrical tape. Smart move. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I recommend some Plenum outdoor Ethernet cable, Cat 6. That's for it. Not your cheap in-house stuff. You know what I mean? Go with Plenum. It's worth it. Especially for long haul. They also give you some taping for whatever your needs are. Outdoors. Good stuff. Thank you. Very smart. And connection thing. Oh, yeah. Right, yeah. So here you have the Ethernet PoE converter. So if you're, don't have a PoE switch or router, they actually provide this for you to convert it, to power it up. That's how it's powered. Very, very cool of them to include this. I've never seen it done. Thank you. And this thing, which I have no idea what it is yet. I don't know. I'll figure it out though. Anyhow, what I do know is that you'll see the instructions. You do need to, let's say you're living in a home, like a house, bungalow, whatnot. They do need you to put it on your roof, and you should. It's clear line of sight, better line of sight. This is not like helium, guys, you know. This is different. This is high-end. They include everything for you. I love it. It's awesome. I don't know what else to say. I'm going to put it on my roof. And my roof. I'm Canadian. Sorry. But yeah, I will make another video of my installation and go from there. I'll even hook up the IoT device, this thing. It's very cool that they actually include it. And see if they verify me and accept me into their world. As of right now, if you check out the map, I would be the second Canadian to have and own one of these. So I'm quite happy. Thank you. And yeah, take care, guys. Cheers.